Hey guys, here's a 52-inch white and brass Hunter Mayfair ceiling fan. This fan is from the second quarter of 1988, and this is one of the earlier models with the 4-blade configuration and the stepped switch housing. I believe a couple years after this they started with the 5 blades and the normal switch housing. I do have one of them new in box, but this video is going to be about this one. I picked this up off of Facebook for very cheap. Came pretty much all complete. Of course it was missing the rubber feet for the mounting bracket, but you know, you can't have everything. It's in really good shape. This one's in immaculate shape. The brass is perfect. When they removed the fan, they took very good care of it, and they packed it all nicely in a box for me. So none of the blade arms have scratching on them. Only problem that it has is the pull chain. I guess it broke at some point and they attached an extension to it, but honestly I don't even know if that's considered a problem. Works just fine. It just looks a little bit funny, but anyway, I'll fire it up. Here's low. This thing is dead silent too. The bearings make absolutely no noise. The previous owner told me it was installed in an exercise room that they barely used. And this one has been on Facebook for a little over 6 months, and I was debating on getting it, but I'm really happy I did now. Here's medium. And here's high. Moves a great amount of air at high speed. Blades are in pretty good alignment. That was what I was talking about with the pull chain. Just looks a bit goofy, but it's usable. See, this is in really good condition. Tag is up there. Anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.